Hello and welcome to my second video. In my second video, I'm going to show you how to get keywords tags from Google AdWords, um, and then you can add it into your YouTube channels when you upload your videos, or you can add them into your website if you want to. Because when you go and when you create a new post, for example, in here, if you add tags, it's very important, as you can see in here, add tag, and then you can add them, or you can go and then you can add them tags in here with a comma. It says with a comma. Basically, it's again, when you create a post, you tell in all the search engines that this is my post is related to this. So when you add tags, that means you're telling them to index your website based on this keyword, or you to index your post pages into this keyword. And that way it's much better, basically, because you're doing the job for Google instead of them doing for you. And trust me, it absolutely indexes your website better this way. So let's go to Google AdWords. I'm just going to type in AdWords login, and I'm going to log in. What I've done is, you can create Google AdWords. It's simple. Google AdWords, if you know, that's if you want to advertise something into there, and then you pay for every click. But I'm not talking about the payment. Ignore absolutely all that. But you can create the Google AdWords just so you can use this particular feature. In the past, it used to be like you could use it for free and you didn't have to register with them and all the stuff. But in this case, you have to, I'm afraid, to register. Once you do register, it's simple. So then you go to all example video campaigns. You can create a Google AdWords for video. It's simple. If you type in Google search engine, then it will come up. You click on that, you register. Once you register, basically you can log in same way as I logged in myself. And then I'm just gonna click on campaign 1. I will go to targets. Just follow this option which I'm following myself, and it should be fine. And then I click on show more criteria, and then keywords, as you can see in here, and then you click on keywords. Now if I type in example car insurance, automatically it will load all the keywords. So this is the keywords anyway. You can add them into a notepad file if you want to. Example, I'm just gonna add them in here, and this is your keywords. This way you find an easy way of finding keywords, basically, to add them into your video if you create any video on YouTube, or to add them in your website. So every time you post something, you can just go into Google AdWords, type in keywords related to a post. If you say top news or top story of the day, it will come keywords related to what you type in here. Top news of the day, blah blah blah, whatever. You copy that, you select them, and then you can just go with a comma like that. You can create a couple of them in a post. If you want your post to be a healthy, as they call a healthy post, in that case, your post to get indexed into search engine and to be ranked high, basically you add in tags as well. So just you copy that, and then you go and you paste them in there. It's simple. Now I'm gonna go something else and show you how to get a free traffic, targeted traffic I'm talking about. So here is, again, I'm gonna type in same thing. I don't want to confuse, so I'm going to same based on your website. I'm going into that anyway. So let's say car insurance again, or I'm gonna advertise something else. I'm sorry about that. Let me just go and get the any advertisement. I've got advertisement somewhere, and or we can use this. I'll advertise your website just for 1 second. Copy. We're gonna advertise this stuff right now. Okay, so how to install what's the name again? Simple Sans. How to install Simple Sans theme. Okay, so now as you can see, you have typed in the keywords on YouTube. Oh, okay. You have type in keywords on YouTube, and then you find the video. Once you find the video, one which is got lots of views basically, and then if you look at you're not interested to post anything to this particular person who has uploaded the video. You're interested to the user who have asked about the video, all these guys in here. So what you do is, example, if you right click on an image, you can do two ways. You go always to about, and then you can send a message to this guy, and two, you can click on Google Plus. Always remember this is very important. You go to the post, and then because it's related to, you find the video which it has about that particular tutorial, which people they are interested in that, and then you just go and you comment on that. The reason for that is, and then click on post. The reason is because you find in this particular people who are interested on that keyword on YouTube first of all, and then you tell them that you can do something. Example, if you go a gig on a Fiverr, right, and then your gig is something related to let's say how to create a banner ad, how to create a banner ad, and then once you click on one of the videos, let's say I'm gonna click on this video in here. Once you click on this, all these people in here basically, they are interested on then how to create that particular banner, and in that case, if you contact them, they can go directly into your Fiverr gig, and then this way you sell more. I guarantee you will sell more, because you already offering these people that particular product, which for $5 many people they don't really care much. It's just like buying a less than a point, to be honest with you, less than a drink. So they don't mind paying you just to do that work. And if you tell these people, here I am, this is the job I do, basically those people, they're gonna come there, because this is the targeted traffic. You're going to be finding those people who are interested exactly on what you are offering. So this is what you do. You use the keyword. It's very important. Once you use the keyword, you send these people in there straight away, and then you'll have people to buy your product. I do many times like that, not on a Fiverr honestly, but I use with a view in my YouTube videos, and in that case I get so many views I get on my videos because of that anyway. Because if you do it daily, let's say if you send this to 100 people today, it depends on how much time you have, but if you send to 100 people that, then basically those people, they get your message. If let's say only 50 people they view that, from 50 people you may have maybe 1 to 5 people buying your gig, or you may have, even if you have one person buying your gig, that's not a problem, because that person, once they like your gig, basically they may order in the future other gigs which you have within your Fiverr. So this is how it works, so target traffic is very important. You can get junk traffic as much as you can. You can get maybe 1 million. You may have, I don't know, probably 50 sales or something, because they're not targeted traffic. Nobody really cares much about the post pages or whatever you create on Fiverr or in your website. But if you get target traffic, the chances are, is absolutely, I said 50%, but it goes 80 to 90% of these people, they'll be interested in your ad, because it's target traffic. This is how it goes. And then from 90% of these people or 80% of these people, always you have to go with the 5 to 10% of them. The chances are will order something from you. This is how it goes. It depends on what type of product you offering. In this case, if you're offering something cheaper, which is in Fiverr for $5 anyway, you do some work, then you definitely they won't hesitate to buy your product. This is how it goes. So I'll end this video for now, and I'll try to see if there is anything which you need. Example, I think you've asked me how to create a Fiverr images as well, so I'll try to do that. Thanks.